Managing multiple job versions in PrintVis. In this example, we'll set up brochures with 3 different languages. Versioning is handled on a job-by-job basis, not within the overall PrintVis setup. We open or create a case. We've created a job line with the basic information about the job, quantity, format, number of colors, etc. In versioning, the product parts and their respective quantities play a key role in defining a job's different versions. Open up the product parts field. And define each component for the job with its desired quantity. In this example, we have different quantities for Danish, German, and Norwegian versions, as well as different sizes and quantities of leaflets for each. Next, we open the job item card. And define the parts of the job. For the leaflets, we define an item for the A4 and add an extra job item to the press sheet, the A5. It's important that each job item is properly described. Our leaflets, covers, and inner matter or text are all clearly defined. This data will feed the version's variance column above and to the right. Click on the version's variance button to go into that window. Here we assign a unique code of our own choosing for each version or variant so that each can be clearly identified throughout the progress of the job. You can see we've assigned simple letter codes for each country in our example. And we've put all as the variant code for the cover, as all 3 versions of the brochures get a cover. We designate which components of the job go with each version and what their respective quantities need to be. Every component of the job needs its own item code, the different size leaflets as well as the covers for each language. You create a simple variant code for each component to keep track. Now for each item, the inner text, leaflets, and the covers, we click on Combine Sheets, where we can determine our different sheet layouts or impositions. In the job item field at the bottom, we calculate any necessary plate changes. The only plate changes in our example are for the inner text. Click OK to close the window. Now we'll go to the next job item, the A4 leaflet. Open Combine Sheets once again. And choose the number up. Open the extra item containing the A5. Go to Combine Sheets for this item as well. Close the window. All of our versions will receive the same cover. matter, we've added 2 plate changes in black. For the leaflets with the extra job item, we have combined the A4 and the A5 on one press sheet. This has been a relatively simple example of versioning in PrintVis. It can of course become much more complex, allowing an estimator to perform multiple in-depth calculations.